Starting this fall, Amsterdam is cracking down on microcars, also known as brommobielen, using ferries and bike paths. Despite existing laws banning these tiny vehicles from such routes, they have frequently been spotted mixing with pedestrians and cyclists on crowded ferries. City officials stress safety concerns, especially with children and pets around. While mobility scooters remain welcome, microcars must stick to regular roads and bridges, like the Hempont ferry route. The city plans a public info campaign before enforcement kicks in, urging drivers to choose safer alternatives.